Hello everyone. Welcome to the course of Maths for NTSE concept. Please watch previous video to understand clearly today's class. Without any delay, let's start today's class. In this today's class, we are going to see different forms of a straight line. Different forms of a straight line. First one, general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The equation which is written in the form of Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called as general form. A, B, C are real numbers. Ax plus by, if you transpose constant to that side, minus c. That minus c consider as one more constant k. Then Ax plus by is equal to one more constant k. It is looking like another different form. So this type of form we are calling as standard form. So we are seeing here two different forms here. First one, Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called general form. Ax plus by is equal to constant, standard form. Two forms we have discussed here. Hope you understand these two. Let's see next one. Slope-intercept form. Here they will give a slope of the line they will give, and y-intercept they will give you, y-intercept c. Then the equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Very important. Look at the diagram to understand this one. X-axis, y-axis. This is the line. This is my line L. Okay, the slope of the line is m. They said y-intercept is c. So the line touches y-axis at c units from origin. So consider the line touching y-axis at A. Okay, the distance from A to origin is c. So the point A will be 0, c. Why? Because on y-axis x is 0. So 0, c. A is equal to 0, c. After that, you have to consider another point x, y such that it satisfies the condition of the line. Okay, Px, y is the point I am considering. Px, y is the point I am considering which satisfies the condition of the line. Okay, so A and P are lying on the same line. So slope of the line is nothing but slope of the AP. So I am writing here slope of m is equal to slope of AP. M is equal to slope of AP. We have to use the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 to find the slope. So y2 is y, y1 is c. So y minus c by x minus 0. Let's simplify. M is equal to y minus c by x. So m by 1 you can take and do cross multiply. Y minus c is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the very important form where m is the slope, c is the y-intercept. Okay, hope you understand. Let's see next one. Point slope form. Here name itself giving you point. They will give you a point x1, y1. Slope, they will give you slope m. Then the equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Again repeating you, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, how this coming? I will explain here. Look at the diagram. This is the line. They will give you slope. So I am taking this line slope is m. Okay, it will pass through a point a x1, y1. So I am taking a x1, y1 which passing through the line. So let consider another point p x, y which satisfy the condition of the line. So a and p are lying on the same line. Same concept we are using here also. The slope of line is equal to slope of AP. So m is equal to apply slope formula to find the slope of AP. So y minus y1 by x minus x1 is the slope. Do cross multiply. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is very important formula. nearly 60% to 70% of problems will be solved by using this formula. So very important, keep in mind, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, slope point form or point slope form. Let's see fourth one, 2-point form. The name itself giving you 2 points. Here they will give 2 points. One is a x1 y1, another is b x2 y2. The formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, how this is coming? Look at here. They will give 2 points. So this is my line. This line is passing through 2 points. First one a x1 y1, second one b x2 y2. Same way you consider another point p x comma y such that which satisfy the condition of the line. So if you observe means a, b, p, all 3 points lying on the same line, then we can call them as collinear. So a, b, p are collinear. Then slopes are equal. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BP is equal to slope of AP. Apply the formula of finding slope. So first I am finding AP, slope of AB. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, here I wrote. Okay, slope of BP now, y minus y2 by x minus x2, here I wrote. Slope of AP now, y minus y1 by x minus x1, this is the thing. So 3 are the equal here. So whenever 3 are equal, we can equate any two we can equate. So I am equating the last one, y minus y1 by x minus x1 with first one, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So denominator x minus x1 if you transpose means y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here x minus x1 dividing, transposing means it will multiply. This is the form. This is also very important. Whenever 2 points given, find the equation which passing through 2 points. If they ask question like this means we have to use this formula. Okay, remembering this formula is difficult only, but if you remember this one, in place of m, just if you replace y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, this formula will come. Let's see another one, intercept or double intercept form. Intercept or double intercept form. The name itself giving 2 intercepts here. So first one is x-intercept A, second one is y-intercept B. Okay, when the question, whenever they asked the intercepts are something A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, then find the equation means we have to use this formula. I will tell what is the formula. Okay, intercepts A, B they are giving. So this is the diagram, you understand, you can understand clearly. This is the line. So this line touching x-axis at A units from origin, touching y-axis at B units from origin. This length is A, this length is B. So we can find point. So point is A comma 0. This point is 0 comma B. So let consider x1 y1 is equal to A comma 0, x2 y2 is equal to 0 comma B. Apply 2-point form. Why? Because we have 2 points, we can apply 2-point form to get the equation. So we have 2-point form here. Here we have 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Apply here. So y minus y1, y minus 0 by y2 minus y1. So y2 is b, y1 is 0. So b minus 0. Denominator x2 minus x1. x2 is 0, x1 is a, 0 minus a. Into x minus x1. x1 is a, so x minus a. So finally y minus 0 means y will come. Here b by minus a, so I am writing minus b by a into x minus a. So here numerator b I am taking and coming down. So here numerator means it multiplying, if you transpose means it will divide, so that I will get y by b. And if you transpose b, after transposing b, what left? So minus 1 by a into bracket. So minus 1 by a multiply inside. So minus 1 by a into x. So minus x by a, minus 1 by a into a, minus minus will get cancelled, plus, so a by a will come. Again this minus x by a transpose means plus x by a. Already here y by b is there, so y by b. Here a by a if you cancel means 1 will come. So formula is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. When we have to use this formula? If they give intercepts. In the question, if they ask, if they give condition intercepts. If they give intercepts, we can use this formula. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This also important formula only. Let's see one more one. A normal form. Normal means perpendicular. The formula is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What they will give? The perpendicular drawn from origin to the line. The perpendicular drawn from line to origin. And the angle between perpendicular to the positive x-axis. If you not understand these two lines, I will explain in the diagram clearly. Look at. Okay, this is the diagram. This is the line AB we are going to find. This is the line AB we are going to find. What they will give? Perpendicular they will give first. Perpendicular means from this line we want to draw a perpendicular to origin. This is the perpendicular. So OC is the perpendicular. OC is the perpendicular. So they will give OC. OC I am considering as P. So they will give P. And they will give one more angle they will give. What angle? The perpendicular angle between this perpendicular to the x-axis, positive x-axis. So the angle between OC and OA, this they will give. So angle COA, this they will give. So that I am taking as alpha. Then the equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is the positive, alpha is the inclination, so inclination ranges from 0 to 180. Actually this form is not in Tamil Nadu matriculation, but it is the one of the important form, so I explained here. Just this formula you note down and remember. I will explain one or two problems how to solve using this formula. These are the different forms we have studied today. Let's recall all the things. First one, general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called general form. Standard form. Ax plus by is equal to constant. Slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Point slope form or slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. 2-point form. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Normal form. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Here how I wrote all the formulas at one place, how I am recalling or revising. Like this you also write all the formulas at one place and revise. This entire 6 or 7 forms we have, all the forms, learn how these forms come in and how to apply these formulas. And first remember the formulas. In next video means that is our last video on coordinate geometry. In that video I will take some problems and I will explain, so that the chapter coordinate geometry completely will get over. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.